Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima brake light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new brake light bulb. Always ensure the replacement bulb is the correct type for your Altima model. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is off and cool before you begin. This simple repair can save you time and money. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly. Open your trunk and look for the access panel or the back of the tail light unit. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it, as there might be clips. With the tail light assembly free, you can now access the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually a distinct color or size. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Be sure to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. Before putting everything back together, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working. Once confirmed, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to secure. Carefully push the tail light assembly back into its position on the car, ensuring all clips align. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This completes your brake light replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.